That sounded like a fart. Ah. Oh, oh. Huh? Oh. Another one? Let me get a little closer look. Oh. Get away, pesky mosquitoes. What? What? Phew. Oh. Oh.
Oh, the fire's out?
Alright, let's see it. I can't. Oh my goodness.
Whoa. Whoa. Oh. Wow. Is that spiral? Whoa! That's so cool! Whoa!
Baby!
Yeah. I think that's all, I guess. I'll put the spray right over here. Oh! Another fart noise? How? Oh. Whoa!
What was that? Oh.
I just like that funny noise. What is it gonna do? Farts? Whoa! That's so cool.
Here, give them this lighter. Rilo, light that big one. Can you let Percy light that big one?
Wow. This is cool. What? Whoa!
Did you see that?
Holy cow! Holy moly!
Right? Like,
What the heck? Oh yeah! I don't know what the heck is that. How many fireworks are they lighting? Wow! It sounded like a fart rocket thing. That noise sounded funny. Oh! It sounded like a werewolf. Ah! Whoa! What? Get all those five! I didn't mean to say that. Whoa! That is so cool!
Yeah, I got work tomorrow.
Aw, boo!
Love you guys.
After this video, I'm gonna go to the moon. For real. Oh my gosh! I don't like that noise! That noise is too funny!
Are you guys ready? Bye.
Was that all? Oh, there guy's another one again. I don't know. What? It's playing my favorite song. Ain't nobody got a hold on me. Oh my gosh! Yeah.
You know that one. Every morning, wake up every morning at 5:30. Gotta get roll out by 6. What happened last night?
I don't want you, but I need you. What? What the heck? That's so cool. Wow! Woo! Oh, excuse me. Oh. There's Heidi. Heidi. There's a window. Is that a peacock feather? I'm pretty sure that's all the fireworks. I'm gonna hit this satellite. Oops. Okay. I hear a cricket chirping.
I have $100 freaking. Hey, you guys.
Oh!
Boom.
Exploded.
I have a Benji freaking. It's a dirty, ugly.
Was that all?
We already lit it.
Oh, you lit it?
Yeah.
It's already got lit.
You missed it.
I didn't miss it. That was cool.
Over here we lit it.
Oh.
That's it. Hey, do you want to grab these chairs? Evan.
What?
Oh,
Oh, here, push them over this way.
grab those. I think they're Ashland's.
Oh. Another? How? Ah!
Thank you. Love you.
It sounded like a girl screaming.
Claudia, go throw those in the garbage. There's.
I'll take those.
Thank you.
Oh!
Percy.
Got it. Ew. Now where's the garbage?
Yours were probably the cool ones, dude.
I think I have to go inside. Oh. Excuse me.
Come on, Lillian.
I'll be right back after I throw these cans away. Man, I love camping. Where's my bug spray? I forgot my bug spray. Maybe. I'm just gonna go close and see if there are more fireworks I want to see. I don't know, that's all the fireworks. Oh. Oh. Hey, who turn out the lights?